Okay, everybody, I want to do another unboxing and review. Today we have a UV light sanitizer wand. This is a portable ozone-free ultraviolet disinfectant lamp. Alright, y'all, this is very small, compact. It has a sterilized rate up to 99.99%. You can't get any better than that. Very durable and safe, water, heat, shock resistant. Simple one button operation, ease the use. Go ahead and open it up. Very light, very compact. Comes with a USB charger. This is going to be the micro SD charger. I think I would have liked the USB-C. That's starting to be more standard these days. All right, you can recharge this. It has up to 13 hours of continuous use on medium, 3.5 hours on high. It comes with this adjustable neck magnet, so you can place it in 360 degrees. I'm going to test this on some metal shortly. Okay, I want to go ahead and show you how it works on some metal. Alright, so we've got a pretty good strong magnet there. Put it all in the frame for you. Alright, so you can kind of play with it and angle it however you want. Make sure you tighten up that swivel neck at the end there. Alright, I think this product would be very good for cleaning your laptop, your computer, your keyboard, your mouse, your phone. And I was just thinking, how disgusting is the soap dispensers in the hotel or bathrooms? Now, this product didn't come with these glasses. Another product that I reviewed from these nice people sent me some glasses. But I think if you wear just regular sunglasses, that'll be fine. You definitely want to protect your eyes. And here I am turning on the switch. Like I said, one-handed. Let's go ahead and crank it all the way up. And I'm just going to do a light little scan of my laptop just to show you how it works. You don't really know how disgusting these items that you use every day. So if this thing really cleans up to 99.99% of bacteria, disinfecting, this is going to be very good at keeping you and your family healthy. Your phone especially has to be very dirty. People never clean those. Here it is, very sleek, very small, very compact. It even comes with this little hook at the end. You can hang it somewhere. Okay, I wanted to show you another situation that you may use this. If you're a type of person who goes on trips a lot and you're in hotel rooms, a good scan of your pillows, your blankets will give you that peace of mind, knowing that you are safe from any type of bacteria, germs, viruses that could be out there. All right, well, this was the product. Very nice product. I think this is very useful. Like always, the links to purchase this product from Amazon will be in the description.